Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yasinullah, a member of Arkan Student Support Network. With the Rohingya people stand with the Gambia for its brave effort to fight justice and bring accountability for the crimes. Committed against our community, the Gambia has the right to leave both the case against Myanmar to the International Court of Justice, ICJ. We are respectfully urge the ICJ to uphold truth and justice for Rohingya victims. For decide the Rohingya have survived the genocide, mass killing, sexual violence, forced displacement, and the burning of the village and home by the Myanmar military and armed group, include the Arkan Army. Thousands of the people, including children and disabled, have been killed. The Myanmar government has mentioned the Arkan Rohingya Salvation Army (RSA) in the defense. However, Arsa did not exist during the earlier attack. It's only appeared a short time ago. The systematic violence and genocide against the Rohingya happened long before Arsa, and this group cannot justify or excuse Myanmar crimes. Arsa is a self-defense group formed by the Rohingya, like other minority group, protective force. We strongly believe the ICJ and the Gambia stand with the side of the truth and human rights. We hope this case brings justice, accountability, and lasting solution of the Rohingya people, including safety, dignity, and voluntary return to our homeland in Arkan. Decide for documentary and policies, especially in the 1982 citizenship law, have left most Rohingya stateless. Reported wave of the violence in 2012, 2016, 2017 caused mass displacement despite the challenges. With the remain hopefully and united with our struggle for justice, peace, and struggle for justice, peace, and restoration for our fundamental right. Just
We want justice. Just displacement. Let us go home. We seek justice. We reject the vigilance. We want to live in our home, our home.